There is a presence of all of us, and I think that what there is a mention of exactly what I spoke about is that I think that from amongst all of my siblings, I have spent the maximum amount of time with and around UG, and I think that I perhaps more than most understand how significant he has been in my father's life, and I think that he is by far the most relevant person in my father's life. And I always wondered, the day UG is gone, how is that going to impact Mahesh Bhatt? And then finally, when that happened, he first tried to deal with it by saying that it's okay, and he's not grieving. But when he allowed himself to grieve, like he said that when my wife finally told me that you're human, please allow yourself to grieve. I find that today he is a changed man all over again, because through his death, I think UG left my father with a taste for life. And he is far more receptive to the so-called mundane, like he never was before. I've never heard Mahesh Bhatt react to a flower falling on his cheek, or the wagging of a dog's tail, or a sunset or a sunrise. And I think that in itself is something that amazes all of us. I mean, all of his kids and all of anybody who's close to him, because my father was a very different kind of man. So even you had this man who met him at a stage where he was probably in his worst phase of his life, and changed him completely. And then while bidding him adieu, changed him yet again. And that's why I say this is not a book that is highly philosophical in that capacity. It's very stark, it's very real.
इस किताब से ख़ास करके जो एक बहुत ही इंटेंस जो एक्सपीरियंस है यूजी कृष्णमूर्ति का और भट्ट साहब का रिलेशनशिप का, आई थिंक इज़ लॉट टू लर्न, जैसे भट्ट साहब ने कहा, नॉट ओनली फ्रॉम डेथ बट फ्रॉम लाइफ ऑल्सो. तो डेफिनेटली वेरी इंटेंस एक्सपीरियंस रीडिंग दिस बुक.
Point of view of philosophy of life and from the point of view of person from cinema, I think in both cases it's important. I have met UG number of times at a time when Saransh was being shot. I was moved by Mahesh's love for UG. It's very moving. It's very touching, and it's very real.
This book is a record of the days I spent with him when he was dying in Valle Croscia, Italy in 2007. It's a kind of a diary which I maintained, and it gives you a blow-to-blow account of what happened in that cave where I was with him all alone. And it doesn't have the morbidity that one associates with death. In fact, it exhilarates you, uplifts you, and gives you a taste of life.
To watch more, log on to www.erosentertainment.com.